So basically, my sister had this grand idea to come to this waterfall that you can swim in, and it's just grand. And there's like 100 people here, and we gotta get here early because there's 100 people here.
5 cars.
Here's the cars.
They must have 20 people each in them.
That's it. And then she forgot this really important minor detail that the road is like 10 miles long.
We're in the murderous mountains.
And it's unpassable. And we came in the Buick. Stressed out. Anyways, now we have to hike 3 miles to get to said waterfall. Just kidding. Yeah.
Under what?
The water. It gets better up here.
Is there any fish in here?
Critter.
What?
Like a chimp
Shindy.
Well, this is it.
Hand on my back.